In front of me is POCO M7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Notifications and Status Bar. Then click on App Notifications here. And before doing anything, make sure to tap on Sort By at the top. This way you can pick one of those options from the pop-up. Sort by time received, by number of notifications, show apps that can't show notifications, or apps with notifications already blocked. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them. You can click on the same and now gray switchers to turn them back on. Quick tip, if you want to, you can also select any app on the left. And not only manage notifications thanks to this switcher at the top, but also check out all of those notifications options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!